Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your controller isn't working in Silent Hill F on PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several solutions step by step to get your gamepad working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library, right-click Silent Hill F, and select Properties. On the left, click the Controller tab. Find the drop-down menu for Override for Silent Hill F and select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and test your controller. If it still doesn't work, go back and change the setting to disable Steam Input. Then try again. Solution 2. Open Steam again and click on Settings. Check only what you use. If you're using an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox. You can also try disabling it if enabling doesn't work. If you're on a PlayStation controller, try disabling PlayStation controller support. If that doesn't work, enable it in games without native support. Do the same if you're using a Switch controller or a generic gamepad. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if needed. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your gamepad, right-click it, and select Disable Device. Then right-click it again and select Enable Device. This refreshes your controller connection. Solution 4. Open Device Manager once again. Right-click your gamepad and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Pick your controller driver and press Next. Wait for the driver to install. Now restart your PC, launch Silent Hill F, and test your controller. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your controller not working in Silent Hill F on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.